This is the ASTART blood pressure monitor arm cuff kit. Here's what's in the box. The blood pressure monitor itself, its arm cuff, a USB-C charging cable to charge it up, a quick start guide, as well as a full instruction manual. Here is the blood pressure monitor. I'm going to open the cuff, and as you can see, the instructions for use are directly on the cuff. It tells you how to wear it and the different sizes and measurements that it's meant for. The USB-C charging port is here on the side. This blood pressure monitor also allows for up to 3 profiles to be stored. Simply press the button on the left, and then you can switch between the different profiles. Follow the instructions on the cuff when putting it on. Also, make sure it's nice and tight. When taking your blood pressure, make sure your arm is elevated just like I have it here. Make sure you're nice and relaxed and don't cross your legs. Push the button in the middle to turn the power on. The cuff will squeeze and measure your blood pressure. Time is sped up for the purpose of this video. The color strip goes up the side as it's measuring. Don't worry, the end result will show either green, yellow, or red. Yikes, a bit high for me. But I promise I did it before and I was less stressed out. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the ASTART blood pressure monitor arm cuff kit. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.